Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will be discussing on documents that needs to be submitted for parent super visa application. In our previous two videos, we discussed about how to create an online portal for the super visa application. And in the second video, we discussed about how to fill up the application form. So in this video, we will go through step by step on what documents needs to be provided to support the application. Let me share my screen and then we will go through each document quickly. So the main documents that are needed is passport, invitation letter, marriage license certificate, proof of means of financial support, digital photo, purpose of travel, and proof of relationship. So the first document is passport. So the passport must be a valid passport, and the first and last page of the passport needs to be copy of that needs to be provided, PDF copy, and it should include your birth date and country of origin. Also, do scan the pages which includes stamps, visas, or marking in the passport. Second is invitation letter. This letter goes from children to their parents, and we will look into the sample invitation which I prepared for my parents' application. So yeah, you can mention the name and address of the invitee, to whom you're addressing in your visa issuing country. That is your place of residence of your parents. Then include the details like this letter supports the visa application of my parents, provide full name, the passport numbers. The important details that needs to be included in this invitation letter is that you will bear all the responsibilities, including financial, travel expenses, housing, food, and medical insurance during the period of stay in Canada. And before submitting the application, also it is required to purchase a medical insurance for at least $100,000 for each of the applicant for at least 1 year. So I have attached a copy of medical insurance purchased beforehand for my parents. Here I have included my parents' personal information, applicant one, that is my father, my mother, passport details, address. I have included my personal details over here. Main reason is to specify what is your status in Canada. So super visa is applicable for parents of permanent residents or citizens of Canada. So you need to provide a proof that you are a permanent resident or citizen of Canada. So these are my details I have provided here. My spouse details, same as mine. And we both signed this document and sent to our parents to support their application. Also, I got this letter notarized to authenticate this all information provided or legitimate information. The attachments that I have provided is permanent resident card or Canadian passport of the invitees, then driver's license, parents' medical insurance. Also, I have included proof of means of financial support. There is another separate document for proof of means of financial support I have added just over here so that they keep in mind that something is provided for proof of means of financial support along with all these details. So this is the invitation letter which I provided for my parents. Moving forward, another thing is third document is marriage license or certificate, marriage certificate. So these are for the parents. So what I prepared for this marriage certificate is I provided an explanation letter that I have attached a passport copy of the applicant's name and spouse name. The third page of both of our both of our passport shows the name of spouse. We are presenting this as a proof of marriage. So my parents didn't had any marriage certificate, so they do have each other's name in their passport for the spouse name, and so this serves the purpose of marriage license or certificate. I didn't provided any affidavit or something, just the passport copy of my parents were enough to for successful approval of my application. Moving forward, a proof of means of financial support. So let me share my sample prepared proof of means of financial support. So over here, I am mentioning myself consents my father to present the proof of means of financial support during the stay in Canada as mentioned and attached below. So as I will be supporting my parents during their stay in Canada, so I need to provide my finance situation over here, and I consent my father to provide it in their application. So the main thing that needs to be provided is where you are working, what is your salary, and working as a full-time, part-time, and just an approximate number that what is the combined annual income of a husband and wife over here in Canada. So they will get an idea like what is their income and how much will be the expenses. The documents which I provided as an attachments are employment job offer letter and employment letter, salary slips for myself, my spouse, T4s and tax assessment, salary slips of my spouse, then last 3 months bank statement for myself, my spouse, and professional certificate if any. And if you have a property, like if you have an apartment or house in the city, then you can provide a property tax receipt so that they get to know that you have a house, or you can, if it's on a rental, you can show something related to the rental property. So this serves as a letter for proof of means of financial support. I have provided this explanation letter and the attachments I have listed over here, and this attachments I have made a PDF copy and attach along with this document. Moving forward, another number 5 is digital photo. So parents needs to provide the digital photo. The specifications are also provided over here, and you can upload the photographs on the portal either in JPEG format as specified over here, and you can show the specification to the photographer. Also, I have specified this description in the description box below, so you can have a look at it. Purpose of travel. So these documents needs to be submitted by parents to state what is the purpose of travel in Canada. Let me share the sample with you, the purpose of travel. So over here, you can mention applicant's name, father and mother name, informing you that purpose of travel. So the primary reason you can specify is to unite with the family, to spend quality time with our son and daughter-in-law, and also to visit major attractions in Canada near your city, you can specify. So this serves as the purpose of travel, 2 things. And in this letter, I have also specified that my parents have strong ties in their resident country by providing home ownership document. You can provide PDF copies of that, then past 3 months of bank statements, and also include any job or business details that they might be having in their home resident country. So this serves as their ties in their home country and make sure that they will go back to their home country after their visit in Canada. So this letter serves as a purpose of travel. moving forward, proof of relationship. So this proof of relationship between the invitee and the applicant. And I have prepared explanation letter regarding a proof of relationship. So for the proof of relationship, I would like to present my and spouse name, proof of relationship with the son. So for this, I have attached two documents. So that is my birth certificate, which specifies the name of father and mother, and my passport. So this includes the details of my parents as well. So this serves as a proof of relationship that they are my parents and I'm the child who is a permanent resident or citizen of Canada and meets all these financial requirements, medical requirements. We have purchased medical insurance. So this serves overall the documents that needs to be submitted. So that's all on the document front. We shared our experiences. I hope this will be helpful to you guys, and we'll post more videos on this. Thank you.